Hello and welcome to another episode of Don't Hate the Player, Hate the Recipe, where I make recipes and if they're rubbish then it's the recipe's fault, it's not my fault. And today we're doing this and we're doing this, and that can only mean one thing. We're doing this viral Japanese cheesecake recipe, and recipe is a loose term here because what we're saying is you take some Fage yogurt, you take some Biscoff biscuits, you put them in, that's it. And then you put it in the fridge and the biscuits sort of soften, and then when you eat it, it makes a kind of cheesecakey texture. So we've deviated a little bit by the fact that I've got these non-Biscoffy ones, but everyone else must be trying to do the same thing because the supermarkets were sold out for both two supermarkets I went to. The other thing I'm doing slightly differently is I'm not wasting many pounds on a proper sized pot of Fage, because if this turns out to not be nice, I'm not wasting that. My girlfriend's coming around for dinner tomorrow, rather than like the 3 to 6 hours in there. I'm leaving this overnight. This is going until tomorrow evening. The other slight variation that I'm going for is, in this one, I'm going to put the Biscoff biscuits as per. In the other one, I'm putting chocolate digestives and I'm putting custard creams. If you are an American and you're watching this video and you don't know what these things are, then you best get to know, because this is England, baby. I am just now realizing that because I was really clever and bought the individual portion size pots, we're not going to get a lot of biscuits in there, are we? I mean, why do I do these things? Yogurt number 1. And I wish I was joking you. This is the recipe. You just stuff as many biscuits in as you can. That's it. Oh, we are already having spatial issues. And I think I'm only going to be able to get one more in the middle there. Oh, this doesn't feel right. Change of plan with number 2. Let's just go with the custard creams and I'll just have to eat those. Oops. So again, I'm just going to shove these and you will get shoved deep down. Oh, all right. That's you done. And that's literally it. So as with some of these other recipes, low expectations. I'm going to cut to tomorrow and pick up filming again, because you know what the worst thing to happen to the internet is and to social media? Follow for part 2. No, give me part 2 now. That's what we're doing in this. So stay tuned.
24 hours later.
Welcome back. It's tomorrow. I mean, it's today, but from when we did you get it. Unsurprisingly, they still look like biscuits in yogurt. Now, I have gained some intel from one of my colleagues that this will not work because these are both biscuits with fillings. The biscuit will be soft. The filling will not have softened. So my girlfriend is here. We're going to try these now. I'll try and show you some consistency stuff and come back with some sort of rating. Right, this is what the Biscoff one turned out like consistency wise. You can see that I can actually get a bit of the, yes, Sancho, you were right, the filling did not melt in any way, but you get that. It's all right, but what we realized is that there's not enough biscuit in there. So I'm still getting quite a lot of yogurt, which has got a little bitter taste, but it's not bad. The surprise turn of events is that is what the custard cream one looked like. And if you actually get in there, the filling of the biscuit did actually soften as well. And that is actually pretty banging. It doesn't really taste like a cheesecake. It's got some sweet stuff from the biscuit and then it's got some creaminess from the yogurt. That's basically it. It's like a crumbly, sweet, creamy thing. I keep going back for more. So I'm kind of a fan of this one. Overall, me and girlfriend have decided that this recipe is like a 6.5 out of 10. Good solid 6.5 out of 10. It was just put biscuits in yogurt and leave it, but it is actually quite tasty. I really thought this was just gonna taste like yogurt with biscuits in, but it kind of is quite nice and I kind of want to keep eating more. So there you go. The viral Japanese cheesecake recipe. Go make it if you want. Join me on another episode of Don't Hate the Player, Hate the Recipe, where maybe I'll be putting more things in yogurt. Who knows? See you. Bye.
Right, I actually can't stop eating it. So maybe it's like a 7, maybe 7.5. I don't know. I can't stop myself.